When you're moving property, you have enough to consider and organise. And the cost these days is just scary. But when you remember that the agent could make huge deductions from your deposit if the property isn't cleaned correctly, and the biggest reason for deposit disputes is cleaning, it's enough to tip you over the edge. Well, don't worry, we have you covered. Just one call can get you an instant quote for all aspects of cleaning and booked for a day and time that suits you. Plus, including the cost is a free return guarantee. That's right, we send a local team of fully trained professional cleaning technicians to complete a checklist of cleaning tasks to meet the required standards. From a standard tenancy spec clean to professional oven cleaning and carpet deep cleaning, all aspects are covered by one team in just one visit, meaning minimum fuss for you and even better, a reduction in the overall cost. Just let us in, show us around, and then go about your day. If you can get away with it, I suggest the nice local pub down the road. We will call you a little bit before we're finished so you can pop back, have a quick look around with our team, and then lock up and you're all done. A Vapor Clean oven clean is a full dismantle deep clean. The doors are taken off and separated to clean between the glass, which is exactly what your agent will require, not a simple wipe over. Not forgetting free light bulb and cooker hood filter replacements. Vapor Clean carpet cleaning is a full deep clean, including specialist spot stain removal at no additional cost, which again is exactly what your agent will require. We can also ensure a full decontamination of possible fleas if you have pets. After all, this could be a requirement of your contract. The phrase we hear the most, "It wasn't this clean when we moved in." But don't take chances or accept imitations. Vapor Clean have been providing tenancy cleaning services directly to most of the big name agents since 2011. They know you have had a professional service completed when they see the receipt with our name on it. So if you want to put us to the test or want to find out more, please contact us now. Thank you.